Welcome back. This is the new Apple Magsafe and the 20watt USB-C power adapter. The Magsafe is the Apple version of the wireless charger similar to the key wireless out there, but able to charge your smartphone with 15-watt power. That is if you use the iPhone 12 series. And the price for the Magsafe is $179, and for the 20watt USB charger is the 99 ringgit. Here, the Magsafe comes with the charging plate with the cable attached to it and the paperwork about the 1-year limited warranty in multiple languages. Charging plate is made of aluminium and the surface is plastic. Overall build quality is sturdy and feels that it will last for a long time. Nothing feels flimsy or cheap. Here we are with the 20-watt charging brick. In the box is the power adapter that you can fold over to minimize the space footprint, and the paperwork of course about some basic instruction. So bear in mind the package doesn't come with a free cable, just the power adapter itself and paperwork. What I like about Apple power adapter is its ability to fall off its pin to make it very compact. So this feature looks simple but very useful for travelers out there, so that you don't accidentally break one of the pin. So let's connect these two together and do some quick tests. Before that, let's try something. With my Spigen's case still attached to my phone, let's see if it's still able to charge my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's try. So that is a good convenience to have. It seems that it has no issue at all. Now with the phone directly on the Magsafe, like I said, the magnet is strong enough to keep your phone stick to it on its own. What I like about this approach is that it makes wireless charging to be less of a thoughtful steps to do. Hold the wireless charger, you basically have to position your phone properly in order for you to ensure your phone is being charged. The positioning step itself is an extra thought you need to put in mind every time you want to charge your phone. So comparing that with what we have with the Magsafe, and we compare it again with the conventional way of charging via cable to the lightning port, in which through the conventional through cable you just have to insert the cable to the phone port and it is charging. And something similar with the Magsafe. So with the Magsafe, the magnet implemented will automatically position the plate straight and to the right position where the charging coil is at the back of your phone. So in terms of experience, the similarity is there using the Magsafe and the charging via cable. So for me, I like the idea a lot. So in terms of a quick test, so using the Magsafe, we roughly will take you around 3 hours to charge your phone from 0 to 100%. Okay, so you may charge it with and without your case on, is still able to charge, and the duration we take is roughly the same. Okay, and however, for the charging via the cable with the 20-watt charging brick, so it takes around from 10% to 100% is around 2 hours and 14 minutes for my case. Yeah? And what I have observed is that when it reaches 98%, the charging towards 100% will take time. So I believe this is the algorithm. The algorithm have been put by Apple to ensure that the battery lasts long, so it doesn't shoot up straight to 100% too fast, for in a way for them to try to preserve your battery health for a long time. Okay, now let's talk about both of this Magsafe and the 20-watt charging brick. Okay, what do I like about them? Okay, firstly, for the Magsafe, the magnet will ensure your phone is always in a proper alignment with the charging coil, so that you don't end up with dead battery the next morning. So that is simple innovation but functional. I like it. And most wireless charger out there do not have this, and to try to charge your phone with it doesn't come naturally, in my opinion, as how you would charge your phone via cable, where when you plug it in, it will just straight away charge. So the magnet introduction in this Magsafe makes the thought process to be more natural, in my opinion, when you transition between plug-in cable to this wireless charger. Whereas for the 20-watt brick, the ability to fold all its pins is very useful and functional, especially for storage, and those frequent travelers will love it so much. And the build quality, of course, typical Apple, is superb and very sturdy. Anyway, do let me know your thought in the comment below. Is it worth it or not to get the Magsafe and the 20-watt charging brick? Okay, till then, stay safe.